Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to try and do a short video of the installation of a tailgate protection system that I bought online. It doesn't have a lot of parts. It's got this and it's got these hopefully Velcro fasteners that I can just hook in, and this won't take too long. Okay, so just a comment guys before I even attach it. I've just done a bit of an approximate fit to see how it's going to line up with the cargo compartments that we've got on our Prado. One of the things that I've noted right now is the internal latch release. They haven't got a notch for that. Okay, so I'm obviously going to put the cover on, and I'm not going to Velcro over that so that someone can still get to it. You know, generally we don't have people in the back of our vehicles, but if for some reason you need access to that latch, you might want to look at doing a bit of a cutout along here, just so you've got a bit of a patch to access that latch. Okay, I'm going to try and fasten this onto the door in one go, and hopefully I get all my alignment nice and I'm not peeling and re-sticking it onto the door. So here goes nothing. It's a little bit finicky because there's a whole lot of sticky tabs now exposed that want to stick to something. So here we go. Bit of a breeze. It's not helping me a lot, but hopefully I'm gonna get it on the first go here. All right, I'm already seeing some problems that are gonna create some grief here. But that's okay, we'll work on those later. Okay, that's attached. So you can see there, all the little tabs there to open up the storage in the back of this vehicle are accessible, with a bit of a problem. Again, I've seen this on a few of the products like this. Sometimes there's a little design fault. So just for example, if I just go to try and open this tray now, okay, now that's nicely cut down the side, but we've got a Velcro fastener right there, and additionally there's no cut down the middle here. Okay, so if I want to open up those doors, that's not really going to work, is it? I'll think about what might be the best solution, but maybe just a cut right down here. That might actually do the trick, and then those will be accessible. Depending on how you use your vehicle, you might not use these very much, and I think for the time being that might be our scenario, but I'm not sure what happened here. I don't know why they've done it that way. Maybe I think I know. Okay, so let's just go with this theory. I'm just trying to open the other door. Now if we just go and we open both doors, both storage compartments, if I can get this one open for me, there we go. Okay, so they are accessible, just not individually because there's no cut. Okay, so again, a slit down here would probably solve that, but for the amount of time we're going to be using these at the moment, I think this is fine. Okay, the general purpose there was to secure these compartments, protect them, sorry, and protect the back door from damage, and I think the product's going to do that. I think it's going to work. Final thoughts on the tailgate protector. Definitely is going to do the job. The padding's nice and thick. If you've got sharp objects or you're chucking paddles and gardening gear and things from the hardware shop in the back, it's not going to damage the back of your vehicle anymore. So it's going to keep that that hard plastic protected. as I mentioned earlier in the video, a little bit of an issue. They should have made another cut, but again, I think that's something you can do. No big deal. It's fastened on. It's fine. It's not going to go anywhere. We'll see how it goes in the months ahead. But anyway, overall, I think it's a good product.